Am I the only one who finds it fascinating that a building can lean so dramatically and still stand tall? That didn't know the Leaning Tower of Pisa, one of the most iconic structures in the world, was almost a goner. Yes, this architectural marvel was on the brink of collapse. You need to watch this if you're curious about how modern engineering saved a medieval mistake. If you're curious about engineering marvels. The story of the Leaning Tower of Pisa is a tale of ingenuity, perseverance, and a bit of luck. The Leaning Tower of Pisa, known for its unintended tilt, has been tilting ever since construction began in 1173. The soft ground on which it was built couldn't support its weight. By 1990, it was so slanted, leaning at an alarming 5.5 degrees, it had to be closed to the public. The risk of collapse was too great. So what did engineers do to fix it? They had to come up with a plan that was both innovative and safe. First, they slapped on 600 tons of lead weights to stabilize the tower temporarily. This was a quick fix to prevent further tilting. Of lead weights to stabilize the tower temporarily. These weights were placed on the north side to counterbalance the lean. That worked for a bit, but it wasn't enough. The tower needed a more permanent solution. Then came a risky plan under excavation. This was a bold move that required precision and care. This clever technique involved removing small amounts of soil from beneath the tower's north side. Sounds simple, right? Wrong. From beneath the tower's north side. Sounds simple, right? Wrong. This process was anything but simple. Engineers had to be super careful to not make things worse. One wrong move could have caused the tower to collapse. To not make things worse, they had to monitor the tilt constantly and adjust their methods as needed. They drilled 41 holes over a year, removing about 70 tons of soil. This gradual process allowed them to control the tilt carefully. The result? The tilt was reduced by half a degree, bringing it back to its 1800 state. This was a significant achievement, but the work wasn't done yet. But they didn't stop there. The engineers knew that more needed to be done to ensure the tower's long-term stability. They also installed a drainage system to manage the groundwater levels around the tower, and structurally attached the tower to its surrounding walkway. This provided additional support and stability. Thanks to these brilliant minds, the tower still leans, just not as dangerously. The tower still leans, just not as dangerously. It's a testament to the power of engineering and human ingenuity. It's an 850-year saga of keeping this icon standing tall, or should we say leaning tall. The Leaning Tower of Pisa continues to attract millions of visitors each year. Or should we say leaning tall? It's a symbol of